want to earn $250,000 quickly? Who does not, right? If you have the knowledge to look for vulnerabilities in hardware and software, then that reward in dollars may be within your reach. Intel now offers an updated program of rewards for errors until December 31, 2018, establishing that small and pleasant change has the maximum payment to detect side-channel vulnerabilities. These vulnerabilities are hidden flaws in typical software and hardware operations that could guide hackers into confidential data, such as the recent Meltdown and Specter exploits. In support of our recent Security Promise First, we have made several updates to our program, says the company. We believe these changes will allow us to more broadly involve the security research community and offer better incentives for coordinated response and disclosure that help protect our customers and their data. Intel originally launched its Bug Bounty program in March 2017 as an invitation-only plan for selected security researchers. Now the program is open to all in the hope of minimizing another meltdown-type discovery through the use of a broader group of researchers. The company is also increasing the reward amounts for all other rewards, some of which offer up to $100,000. Intel's list of requirements to report side-channel vulnerabilities is somewhat short, including the age requirement of 18, a 6-month gap between working with Intel and reporting a problem, among other requirements. All reports must be encrypted with the public PGP key of Intel PSIRT, they must identify an original undisclosed problem, include the results of the CVSS v3 calculation, and so on.